Hello, I'm Thomas, editor of USB-CToday and moderator of r/USB-C hardware. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Whitefox mechanical keyboard. The Whitefox mechanical keyboard comes in a very high quality gray and blue storage/carrying case, however some commuters may find the case to be a bit bulky. It comes with the keyboard in the bottom half of the carrying case while leaving room in the top half for your keyboard essentials. The Whitefox includes an excellent 1.75 meter braided and gold-plated USB 3 to USB-C cable. It also includes some spare rubber feet. Additionally, extra keycaps are included because the board is fully programmable and the keys can be remapped to whatever you need. The pamphlet included has warranty information as well as a link to the manual. Finally, we get to the keyboard. The keyboard comes packaged in a small plastic bag and is held in place by two elastic Velcro straps, which can be hard to manage at times, but overall do a great job at keeping the keyboard in place. The keyboard has a single USB-C port on the upper left-hand side of the keyboard. On the bottom of the keyboard, two raised feet are included to allow typing at a more comfortable angle. The switches on the keyboard feel very responsive and clicky, but are not overly loud as to be distracting in an office environment. Overall, the Whitefox is a well-designed and well-constructed keyboard. The Whitefox, while being an overall great keyboard, still has a few small changes they could make to be a bit better. The cable that comes with the keyboard is high quality, but it would be really nice if they included a smaller 1 meter, preferably flat, USB-C to C cable for on-the-go use with MacBooks and other USB-C devices that don't need such a long cable. We can highly recommend the Whitefox mechanical keyboard for its superb build quality and great customization options. Thank you for watching. In the description we will link both the Whitefox and our website.